Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to be part of this family. Now today's video is particularly for beginners, or maybe you want to know more about ventilation, then this video is for you. I'll be using 2x6 net. Then I'm going to show you some of the mistakes that beginners make when ventilating. Nobody started perfect. We learn steady, and that's what makes us professional. With time we progress into being close to perfect. So now I'm going to be using this 2x6 Swiss net or Kimke closure. I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be using this. Now some of the mistakes that we make is that how we hold the head that we use and how we hold the needle. One thing you have to know as a beginner is to master how you hold your needle. One of the mistakes is that as a beginner we tend to hold this like this, and maybe pick here, you just put and you pick, and you pick here. This method is wrong. I'm going to zoom in so you see the strands of hair that I picked. So now I picked this number of hair. It's quite big. I think it should be up to 5 strands of hair. It's quite big. So the way to correct this mistake is to hold the hair like this. Hold it like this. Then hold your needle like this. Then you can just put it in any hole. Pick 2 strands of hair. Then hold the 2 strands of hair and tight. So these the normal strands of hair to pick, and these the strands of hair that we tend to pick as a beginner, the first one. So to you might think it's okay, but I'm here to tell you that it's not good, because when you pick all these nets, it's going to look messy. So I'm going to repeat it again. First of all, arrange your hair, fold it like this, then pick 2 strands of hair. Once you pick, just kind of fold it and grab into the hole. Then you pull it out. If you are here to watch different types of knotting that we make, please check the description box or click somewhere up to watch the video. So this is it. We tend to work with our tips. So this is just it. Master the way you use your hair and you use your needle. This is it. By putting in a single hole, then picking 2 strands of hair, you can hold it like this to help you pick the 2. Once you pick it, then grab it and tight. Remember, I said that the first mistake is that they hold it like this, or they hold like this. Once the hair is too big out here, you can pick. What you will pick is not going to start picking. They are picking any strands. So the first tip is to master the strands of hair that you pick. Get familiar with how you use your needle and how you use your hair. So the second mistake that we tend to make is that, because we are too lazy to ventilate all this, we don't know how to arrange the hairs. And also, when you want to ventilate a closure for braided wig, just I mean when you want to ventilate a closure for normal hair, give a guide rule and follow the procedure which I have done in my previous video. And when you want to ventilate just closure for braided wig, you can as well either give a guide rule or just ventilate all, then you start to center it past. Then back to the common mistakes that most ventilators make. This is the net, and when we want to ventilate, we should know that this line, I don't know how to make it for you to see the line. This is just the line, and we have it comes in straight line. So what they do is that they pick, maybe let me put it here. They pick strands of hair. They just pick it randomly, not minding the hairs that they pick. They just be picking. They'll just be picking. And remember, like I said, they don't mind the number of hair that they pick. And this is what they do. So guys, this method is very wrong. This method is very wrong. They can as well do this till they are done with this net. And this method can be faster because you don't give yourself guide what you are doing. You are just picking hairs. You just want to make sure that you complete this net. I'm going to show you an example of how to correct this mistake. Now is to master the line. We want to master the line. You pick 2 strands of hair, tight. Come over to the next one, which is this. Tight. Come over to the next one, which is this. Tight. Then come over to the next one. Tight. Then at the top, come over to the up part like this. Come over to the top part again. Come over to the next one. Come over to the next one. So this is the method for the normal ventilation if you want to make a buzz braid. Why this is the mistake that most ventilators beginners make when ventilating. Then remember that ventilating a closure for weave on and ventilating a closure for buzz braid or Ghana weaving is quite different. So this method is for buzz braid. So I hope this video was helpful. This is just the common mistake that new ventilators make when ventilating. Remember, like I said, nobody is perfect. I was not perfect when I started. So I think and I hope this video was helpful for you. Now, if you're yet to watch my video on how to make a closure or why your closure comes out differently, I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you to click and check it out if it will be helpful for you to enhance your learning. Now, thank you for staying to this moment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.